Hey everyone, welcome back to 7 Fleeks Production. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Dogecoin, one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies. Whether you're here because of its meme origins, or you're genuinely interested in its potential as an investment, this guide will help you get started the right way. We'll cover everything from understanding what Dogecoin is to choosing a secure wallet and buying your first Doge. So, buckle up, grab your favorite drink, and let's jump in. Before we throw our hard-earned money into anything, it's essential to understand what it is, right? Dogecoin. It's not just a meme, even though it might seem that way at first glance. It was actually created back in 2013 by 2 software engineers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. They wanted to create a fun, lighthearted cryptocurrency, a stark contrast to the more serious Bitcoin. They based it on the popular Doge meme, the one with the Shiba Inu dog, yeah, that one. And just like that, Dogecoin was born. What started as a joke, though, quickly gained traction. People resonated with its friendly vibe and community-driven approach. And look at it now, Dogecoin has blossomed into a major player in the cryptocurrency space. It has a market cap in the billions, and it's regularly featured in the news. But more importantly, it has this incredibly passionate community behind it, the Doge Army, always pushing for its growth and adoption. But just like any other investment, it's crucial to do your homework. Understand what you're getting into, the potential rewards, and yes, the risks involved. Okay, let's get real for a second. We all love a good success story, the idea of turning a small investment into a life-changing amount of money. But, and this is a big but, we need to be smart about this. Cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin are known for their volatility, and I mean serious roller coaster volatility. Prices can go up, way up, but they can also plummet just as quickly. So before you even think about putting your money in, you need to accept this fundamental truth. You should never invest more than you can afford to lose. Think of it this way, imagine that money disappearing overnight. Poof, gone. Would it impact your ability to pay rent, buy groceries, or keep the lights on? If the answer is yes, then you're not in a position to invest right now. Investing should be done with money you don't need for your immediate expenses. It's about building long-term wealth, not gambling away your emergency fund. So please, be responsible, do your research, understand the risks, and invest wisely. Alright, so you've done your research, you understand the risks, and you're ready to dip your toes into the world of Dogecoin. The next step is figuring out where to store your precious Dogecoins. This is where crypto wallets come in. Think of them like your digital piggy banks, specifically designed to hold your cryptocurrencies. Now you've got 2 main types of wallets to choose from, hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are like your everyday wallets, the ones you carry around. They're online, connected to the internet, making transactions quick and easy. But just like your physical wallet, there's always a risk of theft. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are like your secret safe, tucked away offline. These are considered much more secure since they're not connected to the internet, making them less vulnerable to hackers. The trade-off? Transactions can be a bit slower. But hey, security first, right? There are tons of reputable wallet providers out there, so take some time to compare their features, security measures, and user reviews before you commit. Chapter 4. Pick a reputable platform to buy Dogecoin. Once you've got your secure crypto wallet all set up, it's time to find a trustworthy platform to buy your Dogecoin. Now, there are a plethora of options out there, each with its own fees, features, and user interfaces. It can get overwhelming, I know. So, to make your life easier, I've compiled a list of some of the best platforms to get started. These platforms have a solid reputation in the crypto space, known for their security, user-friendliness, and a wide range of cryptocurrencies available for trading. Remember, it's crucial to do your own due diligence. Read reviews, compare fees, and make sure the platform aligns with your needs and risk tolerance. Don't just jump on the first platform you come across. Chapter 5. Set up your account. Alright, you've chosen your platform, you're ready to dive into the world of Dogecoin. But first, you need to set up an account. Now, this process is pretty standard across most platforms, but it's essential to pay attention to the details. Typically, you'll be asked to provide some personal information, your name, email address, and you know the drill. And to comply with those pesky Know Your Customer, KYC regulations, you'll need to verify your identity. Don't worry, it's all above board. This usually involves uploading a photo of your government-issued ID, like your driver's license or passport, and proof of address. Think of it as a security measure to protect both you and the platform from any fraudulent activity. Once you've submitted all the required documents, the platform will review them, and voila, your account will be up and running in no time. Now you're ready to fund your account and make your first Dogecoin purchase. Chapter 6. Buy Dogecoin. Okay, the moment you've been waiting for, buying your very first Dogecoin. You've got your wallet, you've chosen your platform, your account is all set up, now it's time to make it happen. Most platforms offer a variety of payment methods to fund your account. You can typically use a bank transfer, a credit card, or even PayPal. Choose the option that's most convenient for you, keeping in mind that each method might come with different processing times and fees. Once your account is funded, navigate to the Dogecoin section of the platform. You'll see the current market price, which, let's be honest, can fluctuate like a hummingbird's heartbeat. But hey, that's crypto for you. Now, enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to purchase or the amount of money you're willing to spend, and with a click of a button, boom, you're officially a Dogecoin owner. Chapter 8. Advanced Dogecoin Investment Strategies. Now that you've taken the first step and bought your Dogecoin, let's dive into more advanced strategies to maximize your investment. First up, technical analysis. This involves studying past market data, primarily price and volume, to forecast future price movements. Look for patterns and trends in the charts, such as support and resistance levels, moving averages, and max-D indicators. These can help you make more informed decisions on when to buy or sell. Next, stay updated on market trends. The crypto market is highly influenced by news, social media, and even celebrity endorsements. Follow reliable news sources and join crypto communities to stay in the loop. Tools like Google Trends and Twitter Analytics can also provide insights into the current market sentiment. Lastly, consider the benefits of long-term holding, often referred to as hodling. While the crypto market is known for its volatility, holding onto your Dogecoin over the long term can potentially yield significant returns. When you believe in the long-term potential of a cryptocurrency, riding out the short-term fluctuations can be a wise strategy. In summary, advanced investment strategies like technical analysis, staying updated on market trends, and long-term holding can help you navigate the volatile world of Dogecoin. Now you're not just an investor, you're a savvy investor. Chapter 9. Common mistakes to avoid when investing in Dogecoin. Even the most seasoned investors can make mistakes, and in the volatile world of cryptocurrency, these mistakes can be costly. Let's go over some common pitfalls you should avoid. First, panic selling. The crypto market is notoriously volatile, and sudden price drops can be alarming. However, selling off your Dogecoin at the first sign of a dip can result in significant losses. Instead, stay calm and consider your long-term investment strategy before making any hasty decisions. Second, lack of research. Investing in any cryptocurrency without thorough research is a recipe for disaster. Understand the fundamentals of Dogecoin, its market potential, and the factors that influence its price. Relying on hearsay or social media hype without doing your homework can lead to poor investment choices. Third, ignoring market signals. Technical analysis and market trends provide valuable insights into potential price movements. Ignoring these signals can result in missed opportunities or unnecessary losses. Utilize tools and resources to stay informed and make data-driven decisions. Lastly, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. The allure of high returns can tempt you to invest heavily, but the crypto market's unpredictability means you should only invest money you can afford to lose. In summary, avoiding panic selling, conducting thorough research, paying attention to market signals, and investing responsibly are key to navigating the Dogecoin market successfully. By steering clear of these common mistakes, you'll be better equipped to make informed and profitable investment decisions. Now, let's wrap up with some final thoughts. As we navigate the exciting world of Dogecoin, it's essential to look ahead and explore what the future might hold for this unique cryptocurrency. Dogecoin started as a meme, but it has grown into a serious player in the crypto market, thanks to its vibrant community and increasing mainstream acceptance. First, let's talk about potential developments. The Dogecoin development team is continually working on improvements to make the network more efficient and secure. Future updates could enhance transaction speeds and reduce fees, making Dogecoin even more practical for everyday use. Next, partnerships, and real-world applications. Dogecoin has already seen some high-profile endorsements and partnerships, including with companies like Tesla and the Dallas Mavericks. As more businesses begin to accept Dogecoin as a form of payment, its utility and value could significantly increase. Additionally, Dogecoin's role in the broader cryptocurrency market is evolving. With growing interest in decentralized finance, DeFi, Dogecoin could find new use cases in lending, staking, and other financial services. Its strong community support and widespread recognition make it a potential candidate for integration into various blockchain projects. Finally, regulatory developments. As governments around the world start to establish clearer regulations for cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin's legal status and market dynamics could change. Staying informed about regulatory changes will be crucial for investors. In conclusion, the future of Dogecoin is filled with possibilities. Whether through technological advancements, new partnerships, or broader market integration, Dogecoin has the potential to continue its journey from internet meme to a legitimate financial asset. Keep an eye on the latest news and developments to stay ahead in this dynamic market. Now let's wrap up with some final thoughts. Dogecoin investment. Your journey begins. And there you have it. Everything you need to know to get started with Dogecoin investment. Remember, while Dogecoin can be a fun and potentially profitable investment, it's essential to approach it with caution and do your research. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what Dogecoin is and the risks involved to choosing a secure wallet and buying your first Doge. But remember, this is just the beginning of your crypto journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.